Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Online GK Knowledge. This is the episode number 19 of Daily Current Affairs Show. Today we will discuss top 50 current affairs of from 27th July to 22nd August. And please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon button to get the notification of next video. Let us start. First question: who has been appointed as honorary advisor to the steering committee for the BRICS Chamber of Commerce and Industry? Right answer is option number C, Sahil Seth. Sahil Seth has been appointed as honorary advisor to the steering committee for the BRICS Chamber of Commerce and Industry. Next question: Sripali Virakodi has announced her retirement from international cricket with immediate effect. She belongs to which country cricket team? श्रीपली वीराकोडी अपनी रिटायरमेंट अनाउंस कर दी हैं। वह किस देश के क्रिकेट टीम से खेलती हैं? राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन नंबर डी, श्रीलंका। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन: हु हैज़ बीन अपॉइंटेड एज न्यू MD एंड CEO ऑफ इंडियन ओवरसीज बैंक? राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन नंबर ए, पार्थ प्रतिम सेनगुप्ता। पार्थ प्रतिम सेनगुप्ता हैज़ बीन अपॉइंटेड एज न्यू MD एंड CEO ऑफ इंडियन ओवरसीज बैंक। पार्थ प्रतिम गुप्ता इंडियन ओवरसीज बैंक के MD और CEO नियुक्त हुए। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन: हु हैज़ लॉन्च्ड मेंटरिंग प्लेटफॉर्म रीस्टार्ट इंडिया टू सपोर्ट MSME सेक्टर? राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन नंबर ए, नितिन जयराम गडकरी। The Union Minister for Consumer Affairs, Nitin Jairam Gadkari, has launched mentoring platform Restart India to support MSME sector. Next question: who has approved USD $285.7 million project for canal based water supply for Amritsar and Ludhiana cities through video conferencing? Right answer is ऑप्शन नंबर डी, अमरिंदर सिंह। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन: पाई अप्रॉक्सीमेशन डे इज ऑब्जर्व्ड एनुअली ऑन विच डे ऑफ जुलाई मंथ? राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन नंबर ए, 22 जुलाई। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन: विच ऑर्गेनाइजेशन हैज लॉन्च COVID-19 लॉ लैब? राइट आंसर ऑप्शन नंबर सी, WHO। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन: विच स्टेट हैज अनाउंस्ड अ 2-year jail term or $1 lakh fine for not wearing masks and violation of COVID-19 protocol? Right answer option number B, Jharkhand. And this is the location of Jharkhand in Indian map. And CM of Jharkhand is Hemant Soren, Governor Draupadi Murmu, capital Ranchi. Next question: which state will host the 4th edition of Khelo India Youth Game after 2021 Tokyo Olympic? Right answer option number B, Haryana. Haryana state will host the 4th edition of Khelo India Youth Games after the 2021 Tokyo Olympic. हरियाणा राज्य 4th एडिशन खेलो इंडिया यूथ गेम के 4th एडिशन को होस्ट करेगा। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन: PM मोदी रिसेंटली praised nuclear scientists for the achieving critically at the Kakrapar Atomic Power Plant 3. The power plant is located in which state? Right answer is option number D, Gujarat. Next question: which state or UT government has launched the portal named as Rozgar Bazaar, a sort of marketplace for job seekers and people recruiters? Right answer is option number C, New Delhi. The Delhi government has launched the portal named as Rozgar Bazaar, a sort of marketplace for job seekers and people recruiters. Next question: who has launched the macadamization program to improve the road across Jammu and Kashmir? Right answer is option number A, Girish Chandra Murmu. Girish Chandra, Lieutenant Governor of Jammu and Kashmir, Girish Chand Murmu has launched the macadamization program to improve the roads across Jammu and Kashmir. Next question, under the Kumhar Sashaktikarana Yojana of Khadi and Village Industries Commission, who has distributed 100 electric potter wheel to 100 trained artisans in Gandhinagar, Gujarat? Right answer is option number D, Amit Shah. The Home Minister Amit Shah distributed 100 electric potter wheel to 100 trained artisans in Gandhinagar, Gujarat under the Kumhar Sashaktikarana Yojana of Khadi and Village Industry Commission. And this is the location of Gujarat in Indian map. And Governor of Gujarat is Acharya Devvrat and CM is Vijay Rupani. Capital of Gujarat is Gandhinagar. And Gujarat has longest coastal line in India. And next question, Kargil Vijay Divas is observed on which day every year? Right answer is option number A, 26th July. Kargil Vijay Divas is observed on 26th July every year. Next question, who has assumed charge as Commandant Indian Naval Academy INA? Right answer option number B, M.A. Humphrey Holly. M.A. Humphrey Holly has assumed charge as Commandant Indian Naval Academy, that is INA. Next question, BIS Care, a mobile app of Bureau of Indian Standards, has been launched by whom? Right answer is option number C, Ram Vilas Paswan. Ram Vilas Paswan has launched BIS Care mobile app for the Bureau of Indian Standards. Next question, who has been appointed as Governor of Madhya Pradesh? Right answer is option number A, Anandiben Patel. Anandiben Patel has been appointed as the Governor of Madhya Pradesh. Recently, Anandiben Patel is present Governor of Uttar Pradesh and he took the additional charge of Governor of Madhya Pradesh after the demise of Lalji Tandon. Who has been conferred with the President Award for Nurses for surviving on the front line during the COVID-19 pandemic in Singapore? Right answer is option number B, Kala Narayan Swamy. Next question, which country built 1 kilometer long world first electrified rail tunnel that fits double stack container? Right answer option number C, India. India built 1 kilometer long world first electrified rail tunnel that fit double stack containers in Haryana. Next question, who has inaugurated the world class state of art honey testing laboratory virtually? Right answer option number C, Sri Narendra Singh Tomar. Narendra Singh Tomar has inaugurated the world class state of art honey testing laboratory virtually. Next question, who has launched a mobile application Mausam which will provide city-wise weather forecast and other warnings? Right answer is option number D, Dr. Harshvardhan Singh. The Union Minister of Earth Science and Health and Family Welfare, Dr. Harshvardhan Singh, has launched a mobile application Mausam which will provide city-wise weather forecast and other warnings. Next question, the book titled Quest for Restoring Financial Stability in India authored by whom? Right answer is option number A, Viral B. Achar. Next question, which country sent a new high resolution mapping satellite named Jiuyan 303? Right answer option number B, China. Next question, World Nature Conservation Day is observed on which day of July month every year? Right answer option number D, 28th July. World Nature Conservation Day is observed on 28th July every year. Next question, an innovation constant Dare to Dream 2.0 has been launched by which organization? Right answer option number A, DRDO. Defense Research and Development Organization has launched Dare to Dream 2.0 initiative. Next question, India report on digital education 2020 has been launched virtually by whom? Right answer is Sri Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank. India report on digital education 2020 has been launched virtually by Sri Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank, who has been appointed as new Prime Minister of country Tunisia. Right answer option number C, Hissem Messi. This is the location of Tunisia, and President of Tunisia is Kais Saied. Capital of Tunisia Tunis, and currency of Tunisia is Tunisian dinar. Next question. The Defence Minister dialogue between India and Indonesia was held in which state of India? Right answer option number A, New Delhi. The Defence Minister dialogue between India and Indonesia was held in New Delhi. Next question. 3 high throughput COVID-19 testing facility has been launched by whom? Right answer is option number D, Prime Minister Narendra Modi. 3 high throughput COVID-19 testing facility has been launched by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Next question. Who has participated digitally in the Shanghai Cooperation Organization Health Minister Digital Meet at Nirmal Bhawan, Delhi? Right answer option number A, Dr. Harshvardhan Singh. Dr. Harshvardhan Singh has participated digitally in Shanghai Cooperation Organization Health Minister Digital Meet at Nirmal Bhawan, Delhi. Next question. Indian Railway has handed over the specifically modified 10 railway broad gauge locomotive to which country? Right answer option number C, Bangladesh. Indian Railway has handed over the specifically modified 10 railway broad gauge locomotive to Bangladesh. And this is the map of Bangladesh, and capital of Bangladesh is Dhaka. Currency is Taka. President Mohammad Abdul Hamid, and PM of Bangladesh is Sheikh Hasina. Next question. NTPC Limited plans to establish solar power plant in which country? Right answer option number D, Sri Lanka. NTPC Limited plans to establish solar power plant in Sri Lanka. Next question. Qazi Anik Islam has handed a 2-year ban by the National Cricket Board for failing a dope test. He is cricket player of which country? Right answer option number A. He is the cricket player of the Bangladesh. Who has bagged the Premium League Golden Boot Football Award after netting 23rd goal across the 2019-20 season? Right answer option number C, Jamie Vardy. Jamie Vardy has bagged the Premium League Golden Boot Football Award after netting 23 goals across the 2019-20 season. Next question. Which general insurance company launched crop insurance campaign बहुत जरूरी है फॉर फार्मर्स इन महाराष्ट्र एंड कर्नाटका? राइट आंसर ऑप्शन नंबर ए, भारतीय एक्सा जनरल इंश्योरेंस कंपनी. भारतीय एक्सा जनरल इंश्योरेंस कंपनी हैज़ लॉन्च क्रॉप इंश्योरेंस कैंपेन बहुत जरूरी है फॉर फार्मर्स इन महाराष्ट्र एंड कर्नाटका. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. विच बैंक हैज़ प्रोवाइडेड liquidity support of $16.20 million as a COVID relief for the government of Maldives? Right answer option number D, State Bank of India. The India's largest public sector bank, State Bank of India, has provided liquidity support of $16.20 million as a COVID relief for the government of Maldives on the occasion of Maldives Independence Day on 26 July 2020. And this is the location of Maldives in Asia map, and capital of Maldives is Malé. Currency in Maldivian rupiah. President Ibrahim Mohammed Solih. And about SBI, headquarter of SBI Mumbai, Maharashtra. Chairman Rajneesh Kumar, and established in 1955. Next question. The United Nations Secretary General Antonio Guterres named to whom among 7 members to his youth advisory group on climate change? Right answer option number A, Archana Soreng. The United Nations Secretary General Antonio Guterres named to Archana Soreng among 7 members to his new youth advisory group on climate change. Next question. Who has appointed as the new managing director and CEO of Tata American International Assurance Life Insurance Company? Right answer is option number B, Naveen Tahliani. Naveen Tahliani has appointed as new managing director and CEO of Tata American International Insurance Life Insurance Company. Next question, World Hepatitis Day observed on which day every year? Right is option number A, 28th July. And theme of World Hepatitis Day 2020 is hepatitis free futures. Next question, which district of Uttar Pradesh has named a road and crossing in the city after former MP Governor Laji Tandon? Right answer option number C, Lucknow. Lucknow district of Uttar Pradesh has named a road and crossing in the city after former MP Governor Laji Tandon, and now Chowk Chowraha is known now called be as Laji Tandon Chowraha, and the marg from Lucknow to Hardoi is now known as Tandon Marg. Next question, International Day of Friendship is observed globally on which day? Right answer option number A, 30 July. Next question, Parvez Khan passed away. He was an Parvez Khan was an Bollywood actor director. Next question, Paytm Money has appointed to whom as new chief executive officer of the company? Right answer option number C, Varun Sridhar. Paytm Money has appointed to Varun Sridhar as the new CEO of the company. Next question, first manhole cleaning robot named Bandicoot, which is an automatic sewer cleaning device, inaugurated in which state of India? Right answer option number A, Assam. Next, and this is the location of Assam in Indian map, and Chief Minister of Assam is Sarbanand Sonowal, and Governor is Jagdish Mukhi. Capital is Dispur. Next question, which district of Chhattisgarh has topped the list of aspirational district in overall Delta ranking for the February period? Right answer option number A, Bijapur. District of Chhattisgarh has topped the list of aspirational district in overall Delta ranking for the February-June 2020 period. Next question, who has honored with Karamveer Chakra Award by Global Fellowship Award instituted by United Nations and International Confederation of NGO at the Rex Conclave hosted in IIT Delhi? Right answer option number C, Sunil Yadav, SS. Sunil Yadav has honored with Karamveer Chakra Award by Global Fellowship Award instituted by United Nations and International Confederation of NGO at the Rex Conclave held in IIT Delhi. Next question, which country cricket team won the third and final Wisden Trophy Test match against the West Indies by 269 runs and won the series by 2-1? Right answer option number A, England. Next question, who has released e-book titled Standard Treatment Guideline for the Management of Substance Use Disorder and Behavior Addiction virtually? Right answer option number C, Dr. Harshvardhan Singh. Dr. Harshvardhan Singh has released an e-book titled Standard Treatment Guideline for the Management of Substance Use Disorder and Behavior Addiction. Next question, who has jointly inaugurated the new Supreme Court building of Mauritius in Port Louis through video conferencing? Right answer option number D, both A and B. Prime Minister Narendra Modi and the Praveen Jagannath of Mauritius has jointly inaugurated the new Supreme Court building of Mauritius in Port Louis through video conferencing. Next question, which country has launched the underground ballistic missile during the Great Prophet 14 military exercise? Right answer option number A, Iran. Iran has launched the underground ballistic missile during Great Prophet 14 military exercise. Next question, who has represented India in the 6th BRICS Environmental Minister meeting under the presidency of Russia? Right answer is option number A, Prakash Javadekar. Prakash Javadekar has represented India in the 6th BRICS Environmental Ministry meeting under the presidency of Russia. And member of BRICS is Brazil, Russia, India, China and South Africa, and established in 2009. And theme of this 2026 BRICS Summit is BRICS Partnership for the Global Stability, Shared Security and Innovation Growth. Next question, which bank has recently launched a special 2-month campaign Kona Kona Umeed? Right answer option number C, Kotak Mahindra Bank. Kotak Mahindra Bank has recently launched a special 2-month campaign Kona Kona Umeed. Next question, Hamid Bakayoko has named as the Prime Minister of which country? Right answer option number A, Ivory Coast. Ivory Coast Defense Minister Hamid Bakayoko has been named as the Prime Minister of country. He was currently serving as the interim PM of country since the sudden death of former Prime Minister Amadou Gon Coulibaly. Next question, which space agency has launched Mars 2020 Perseverance rover mission with United Launch Alliance Atlas B rocket to the red planet Mars? Right answer is option number B, NASA. NASA Space Agency of United States has launched Mars 2020 Perseverance rover mission with United Launch Alliance Atlas B rocket to the red planet Mars. Next question, World Ranger Day is celebrated annually on which day of July month around the world? Right answer is option number A, 31st July. Next question, which digital wallet company has launched mpay.me UPI link service that allows users to send and receive money from any UPI payment? Right answer is option number B, MobiKwik. MobiKwik digital wallet company has launched mpay.me UPI link service that allows users to send and receive money from any UPI payment. Next question, who has been appointed as additional and independent director of Great Eastern Shipping Company Limited? Right answer is option number A, Urjit Patel. The former RBI Governor Urjit Patel has been appointed as the additional and independent director of Great Eastern Shipping Company Limited. Next question, who has been appointed as private secretary to PM Narendra Modi? Right answer option number A, Hardik Satish Chandra Shah. Hardik Satish Chandra Shah has been appointed as the private secretary to PM Narendra Modi. Next question, Sonam Tesring Lepcha, who passed away, was a famous folk musician and Padma Shri awardee. Next question, and this is the last question of this video. Name of institute which in collaboration with TransUnion CIBIL launched financial knowledge platform named MSME Saksham for MSMEs. Right answer is option number B, SIDBI. Small Industries Development Bank of India in collaboration with the TransUnion CIBIL launched financial knowledge platform named MSME Saksham for MSMEs. And if you like this video, please like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel Online GK Knowledge, and please like and share this video. And this is the end of the video. Thank you. See you next.